Hey beautiful people, how's it going? I hope you're all doing amazing today. I have a video I am very, very, very excited to share with you, and it is my giveaway. I have been planning this giveaway for a while. You'll obviously know from the title, I have a Glossybox 2021 advent calendar to give to you. This was paid for by myself. I have my receipts, which if anyone wants to see, I am happy to send you a receipt. And I paid for it myself. I do get Glossybox in PR, and I have one just here that I opened recently, which I'll link my video somewhere. This is completely empty, I'm not even gonna lie, because I just took everything out and started using it. But I have one here. It's all sealed up and ready to go. Now the Glossybox advent calendar this year is worth over £450, which is crazy. Feel free to go and watch my other video if you want to see exactly what's in it, but I will quickly give you a rundown of what's in it. This is a UK only giveaway just because of the sheer weight and size of this. It will cost me an absolute fortune to post it overseas, unfortunately. I will have some more Christmas giveaways, which can be for everybody, but this one is just a UK one. And I know it's only the 1st of November, but I wanted to get this up. I'm only going to let this run for maybe 3 weeks, and then I can post it on the last week of November, so then whoever wins it can open it in December as they're meant to. So you get an LMS Pro Collagen Cleanser, Wonder Beauty Brush and Bronzer Duo, a sleeping mask, a facial lift, which is like the weird roller thing that I did, which amused everybody, an Avant serum, a molten brown bath gel, a hair mask, an eyebrow pencil, a black eyeliner, a sleep mask, a Pixie Glow Tonic, a Vitamasks lip mask, a Laura Geller makeup brush, which I can compare with the softest brushes ever, an e-cooking peeling mask, some reusable microfiber cleansing wipes, Steve Laurent lip liner, a scalp massager, which is also incredible, I actually love mine, a mascara, a peri spray, a liquid lipstick by Loretzi, some bath crumbles, a face cream, a Illamasqua lipstick, some Rodial, or Rodial, I don't know how you say it, glow drops, and then the icing on the cake is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. And as I said in my video previously, I was really sceptical because I've been purchased Huda palettes before and they have been absolutely shit. But this one is amazing. I've got it on my eyes today and I absolutely love it. I've literally used it every single day since I opened it. It is beautiful. It's here. Mine's upstairs. I'm being a lazy cow and I can't bother to go upstairs and get it because the baby's asleep. But yeah, it comes like this, and then there's drawers. There's meant to be like 4 drawers. And they have all the boxes in, but I've just got all the cardboard in mine. Yeah. So, if you want to win a Glossybox advent calendar worth over £450, all you need to do is be subscribed to my channel. Piece of piss. Literally just boop, boop the subscribe button. You're done. Step 1 done. Step 2, like this video, boop, another one. Fucking easy. Why would you not do it? And the 3rd one is to leave a comment down below, and I would like you to comment to me your favourite Christmas tradition that you and your family do, just because I love reading about Christmas traditions. It's a really lovely thing. Every family has different ones and it just makes my little black heart happy. So yeah, comment below what is your favourite family, or not family, friends, however you want, your favourite Christmas tradition, anything you want, something like that. There's a Christmas tradition that you personally do. I would love to know. If you are age 16 or under, please do have permission from a parent or guardian, just because I will need your address to post this to you once, if you're selected to win. The winner will be chosen at random with a YouTube comment picker, and I will do it as a short on I'll either do it as a live or I'll do it as a short for the actual, so it's there so people can see who's won. But yeah, that's all you need to do. This is not affiliated with Glossybox, although I do get sent PR from them. The one that I'm giving away to you has been paid for by myself. It's nothing to do with PR. It is in a different name. It's sent to my mum's house, and yeah, it's nothing to do with Glossybox or YouTube. It's just me telling you lot I love you. One of the cats is squeaking. My dishwasher has got bubbles coming out of the bottom of it. Like 97% sure that's not a good thing. Yeah. Also, I'd love to know what you want to see in Vlogmas. That doesn't have to be part of the competition, but I would love to know what you want to see in Vlogmas. I really hope I can do it because I've done it 4 years in a row. This will be my 5th year doing it. if I can do it, but I would really love to know what things you guys like to see during Vlogmas. So yeah, that was the giveaway. Good luck. If you fancy sharing this little video, that'd be amazing. I'm so close to 10,000 subscribers. I've also got a 10,000 subscriber giveaway going at the moment as well. So feel free to share that and join that one. I'll link that video somewhere as well. But yeah, thank you so much. Good luck. I'll see you soon. Love you, bye.